Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Riot Vanguard crashing PC. So here's what you're gonna do. Open search, type in add or remove programs. Once you're in here, you wanna click here, type in Riot. Find Riot Vanguard, you wanna click on three dots, click on uninstall, uninstall again, click yes, and then yes again, and let it uninstall from the list. And after it's gone from the list, you wanna exit out of this, reopen Riot Client, and after you open the Riot Client, you want to go to either League or Valorant, and you want to click update, and it will install, and then click yes, and it will install the Riot Vanguard again. And after it installs, it will say your game requires a system restart, but don't restart it just yet. Exit out of this, go back to search, type in run, and run, you want to type in services.msc. And then press OK. Once this opens, you want to press somewhere here and then press V on your keyboard to define VGC. Double click on it. Switch this from manual to automatic. Click apply, click OK. Exit out of this, go back to search, type in system configuration. Once in here, go to Services tab, click Hide out Microsoft Services, scroll all the way down till you find VGC. Untick it, take it back again, make sure it's blue, click Apply, click OK. And it will ask you to restart your PC one more time. And after you restart your PC one more time, your League of Legends or Valorant should work properly without crashing. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Riot Vanguard crashing on PC. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.